All right, welcome back to the shop. So I still the 1163 on the lift here. In the last video, in part one, I removed the rack unit, the Appleton rack unit from the front. And in this episode, we are going to remove the servo unit that goes with that Appleton system. So to get that off, we have to take all the hoses off. We're going to pull the dash off. We have to pull the steering column up, and then we can unbolt it from the firewall inside here. And then we'll get all that cleaned out, and then we'll be able to start installing the new unit made by Sweet Manufacturing. So right in here, we pulled the dash panel off, we pulled the 4 bolts out of here. So that the steering column here has Allen bolts, which are, you know, notoriously a pain in the butt, but they have nuts behind them. So you just need a 9/16 impact, and then just use an Allen wrench to hold it, and you can unbolt it from the backside. You know, here's where we took out the servo unit here. We have the hoses here. These two go to the rack. And this one here comes from the filter, or returns back to the filter, the used oil. And then the pressure one is right here, that comes from the pump, and got some oil coming out. That's cool. So anyways, that'll be in part 3 when we hook all that back up. So anyways, thanks for watching. Please hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching. All right, well, it looks like it's finally cooling down. It's only 103 now.